Hello, I'm Dr. Rekha Sugandhi and I'm member of the organizing committee for the Smart India Hackathon 2025 MIT-ADT Nodal Center for Hardware category. And I'm feeling really proud to host this for the fourth consecutive year. And it's really a big festive season where all the students have come here to work on different problem statements. And there is so much of enthusiasm and aspiration that it feels really encouraging and proud that we are part of this event. Also, some of our student teams have made it to the finals. We have 9 teams who have gone to various states, including Pondicherry, Delhi, Punjab, Maharashtra, and we are hopeful that we will make it to the finals as well. So, as part of the team, I would wish the best to our teams at different centers and all the teams who have come here at MIT-ADT. Thank you very much.